The ultimate party for the ultimate van. We're here at Chelmsford City Racecourse, a new venue for Transit 60th. Almost 3,000 people have signed up to come along today. We've got workshops, panel discussions, live entertainment, a fantastic vehicle display, something for the kids. Transit Day has become Transit Festival.
So today is not just about how great it is that Transit's delivered 60 years, it's also about the future. But of course, there's also music, there's food, there's drinks. Everybody's really engaged and having a great time.
Incredible, isn't it? I mean, how cool is this? We're celebrating a vehicle, not a marque. We're not celebrating Ford, we're celebrating a part of Ford, which is a Transit. And it's brought out thousands of people that are families, builders, trades, craftsmen, professionals. You've got race teams, you've got absolutely everybody here celebrating the Ford Transit. And to top it all, not only is it the 60th birthday, we've got a world record on top of it. It's brilliant.
This morning we set a new Guinness World Record at Dunton. Over 200 vehicles came along to take part, and I'm really pleased to say that we have set a new world record for the largest parade of vans.
I took part in the world record that we broke successfully, which I really have to say. It was great to also get to know a lot of people as well, see some familiar faces and new faces. So just a great opportunity to get to know some new people and basically explore what all the Transit's about.
I'm here because I love Fords. I'll go anywhere where there are some hardcore Ford fans. Everyone has got a Transit story, haven't they? And there was a red one that I remember, and I had a girlfriend who owned it, and we had many a good time in it.
So apart from the roof, which is dormable anyway, everything else was exactly as it was in 1966. It's an amazing story, isn't it? Absolutely. All the lino, everything. It's exactly how it would have been. It's incredible, isn't it? You know, it's a piece of history.
I'm towing a caravan. No, that was brilliant. We used to go all over this country. We spent 3 years abroad with the Transit, with 5 children as well. How about that? That ain't bad, is it?
There's always seemed to be a Transit in my life. Personally, I've sort of had them since I can remember. Like when I was 17, there was a Transit around, and now I'm 61, there's a Transit around. So they've sort of just been there always. Reliable.
You've got so much character as well. So yeah, they're well loved, and I think it brings back a lot of nostalgia for people. As Mike was saying earlier, like being in his dad's as a kid, and then with his kid next to him, the generations go on, and it's nothing like a Transit van, is it?
I mean, like I said, this thing is home on wheels. So this is base camp wherever we go. We'll be taking this thing on adventures all over the country and all over Europe. So it will definitely be getting tested to the max.
I've been doing van shows for 51 years, 52 years now, since the 70s. This tops most things.
We've had a fabulous day. The weather's held out. Everyone's had a great time. Lots of smiling faces. Can't wait to do it again next year.